Hey, today we are in Fiat Grande Punto and we are going to try to install those. This is an LED kit for your headlights. This is how it looks. Bulb size is H4 and this is for your high and low beam. There's a fan inside to cool down those LEDs, connector over here, and I believe this, you can detach this. This is a mounting ring which you install first and then you can put in the LED. And as can I see, there are 4 ways to mount it just to get the best performance, the best optics out of your headlight. Let's install those and later at night I'm going to check how this works. Let's start here. Okay. Connector out. And now I'm going to take out the old bulb, replace it with the mounting ring and then connect the LED. The mounting ring is in place. Now just the LED. I'm not going to close it yet. Let's just check if it works and how it works compared to the standard halogen bulb. Since there are 4 positions that you can install the LED, you need to rotate it a few times and check which one is the correct. As you can see right now, we have a similar optics to the halogen bulb on the right. I'm in the beam at the same time for both left and right bulbs, so the level is about right. Of course, I need to check it against the wall or better on a testing device, and if there's something wrong, I need to align the headlights. Before I fit the other one, I just want to show you how big is it compared to a standard halogen bulb. And as you can see, there are 2 or 3 centimeters more of the bulb, but remember that over here you need to still have the connector when the connection in this one is on this side, so it's not in your way. I already closed this one, and as you can see, it's closed without any problem. I managed to fit everything inside. And now let's do the same with this bulb on this lamp. The left one, the passenger side, is I think too high, a little bit too high. Let's check from here. I've done some driving with those LEDs, about 2 or 3 weeks, and I have to say that the difference is huge. The brightness is higher and the optics precision is better than with the standard halogen bulbs, so that was a pleasant surprise when using those LEDs. Also, the reaction time when switching from the low to high beam is much greater with the LED. You don't have to wait, the change is just instant. Over here you can see the LED on the driver's side and the halogen bulb on the passenger's side. So we can just simply compare those two when using high and low beams. I'm just covering one of the headlights and the camera is set to manual, so there's no adjustment of the exposition or ISO. This is straight out of the camera, so we can better compare LED with halogen bulb.
Few things that are important to say. First of all, you have to be responsible. Those LEDs are very bright and you don't want to blind incoming traffic. Remember that you are not alone on the road. If you are using those on public roads, please remember that those LEDs are extremely bright. Second thing is you need to check if this kind of conversion in your country is legal. Here in Poland this car would most likely fail the technical inspection because its homologation clearly says that it needs to be fitted with halogen bulbs. So I had to switch back to halogen bulbs just to be safe. But check your local laws, maybe it's possible without any problem in your country. So that's a thing that you need to be aware of. And the third thing that I need to say, and I wouldn't even notice it if not my habit to listen to Czech radio instead of the Polish radio stations, and there's a slight interference on the radio, and when listening to a Czech radio station I have a low signal strength because of the distance that the radio station is from me, and with those LEDs turned on I get a little bit worse radio reception. So that's a thing that I feel I need to mention in this review. Also, there's no mention that this is canvas ready, but I had no problem with the Fiat Grande Punto. It was not detected as a broken bulb, so I guess that the LED and the cooling fan and all the electronics inside put just enough load on your electrical system, and your car will not detect this as a broken bulb. So that's a pleasant surprise, even though they are not saying that this is a canvas ready setup. In the description below you will find some technical specification of this LED set, also a link to an online store if you want to buy this H4 LED kit. Okay, thank you for watching, give me a thumbs up if you like this review, check my other videos and subscribe for more. See you soon!